Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Ankita Sharma, who was recently seen in the song Kuch Kuch, got into a fun chat with us and shared about her experience and more. So let's begin. Starting up, tell us your experience of shooting for Kuch Kuch.
It was very good. So when it was offered to me, I heard the song और मुझे song बहुत cute लगा because it's very catchy and yeah, अभी तक मैंने कुछ answer नहीं किया था, and I found myself humming the song already. कुछ कुछ होता है, so I said I have to do this, and plus the look was very in the cute zone, school dress, 2 ponytails. So I thought let's do this, and I'm so glad that I did it क्योंकि गाना hit है and working with Tony Kakkar and Neha Kakkar has been a very good experience. So yeah, I'm happy about it. Thank you for loving the song.
The casting of the video was very interesting. Tell us about that.
Yes, they all are the people who are so popular on social media or सबकी अपनी पहचान है. So that energy on set was different because everybody, I will call it like a very creative set because हर individual बहुत ही creative था. Be it Melvin Lewis team, be it all these TikTokers and Priyank, Neha, Tony. Kakkars को तो मैं already talent का एक पूरा hub बोलती हूँ. So yeah, it was a set जहाँ पे इतना सारा talent was put under one roof. So it was a very good feeling. तभी समझ आ गया था that this is going to make a mark.
Would you be doing more of such videos?
See, I don't want to do a lot of it, but yes, doing one song in a while is a good thing because this is a whole different zone और मज़ा भी आता है और yeah.
Are you open for TV shows now?
Of course, I'm up for TV shows and I want to be back on television for all my fans and I want to do some really good shows. So still waiting on it and hoping for the best.
Any show you watched recently and wish to be a part of?
I could also be a part of Aisa feeling too. I'm watching Made in Heaven right now and I'm really enjoying it. It's looking so massive and everything is so nice. Yeah, that is one show which obviously made me feel so. And what else? मैंने ज़्यादा वेब पे actually देखा नहीं है, but अब मैं वो करने वाली हूँ. I have subscribed to all these good platforms and now I'm watching stuff. But current watch is Made in Heaven. And yes, of course, I would have loved to be a part of something like this.
Would you be up for web shows?
And it's sort of upcoming and yeah, of course I would love to be. I'm an actor and an actor is passionate about their skill which is acting. तो कहीं भी दे दो, अच्छा part दो, अच्छा show दो तो anybody will enjoy it.
How comfortable would you be when it comes to do bold scenes for web shows?
Yeah, it's first of all no judgments at all because I'm an actor and it is our job. If we do romance, we do emotional scenes, so we can do intimate scenes as well. Me as an individual, I'm not very up for it and I'm not very open to doing all sort of scenes in front of the camera. I think that's got to do with the person that I am. But if a project is worth it, मतलब अगर मुझे करण जौहर की फिल्म में कुछ करना पड़े तो why not? I will give it a shot and I will. हर कोई अपने लिमिट थोड़े स्ट्रेच करता है given a good opportunity. So I would only do it for a project which is worth it.
What is the worth it project for Ankita?
Maybe a web show on a good platform with a good character and very important part is that वो जो भी intimate scene हो, it should be important for the story. It should not just like web का मतलब ये नहीं है just because you can do it, you do it. It should be important for the story also to move forward. If it is, then why not? Any actor will do it happily and actors are doing it. Kudos to them. They are doing such amazing work on different platforms. Yeah.
Your dream role?
See, ऐसे बहुत सारे मेरी तो बहुत ख्वाहिशें आप बैठे रहोगे. I think I have, as an actor, I wanted to do periodic, something like there was this show called Salima Anarkali and all. वो वाला zone क्योंकि मुझे वो Indian और sort of वो periodic जैसे देवदास is my favorite film, so you can imagine. वो zone में करने का बहुत मन है and also I want to do something badass also at some point of time. अभी कुछ हुआ है, अभी बहुत कुछ होना है. No, nothing. I'm in talks for a few things and as I said, I'm waiting for something really good. I want to take it like a step up, so I'm waiting for the right project.
Lastly, a message for your fans.
The fact that they have been waiting for me to make a comeback, and meanwhile they've been enjoying me on social media, it means a lot to me, because that love has been constant, and that is amazing. Thank you for loving me, and thank you for all the support. Love you. Hi, this is Ankita Sharma and you're watching me on India Forums.
We hope you enjoyed this chat with Ankita. If you did, do comment and tell us. Simran Mishra, camera person Mangesh and Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.